ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be installing this beautiful headband wig that I got from Celiarita. This is a Amazon company. So I was very excited about doing this wig review. So yeah, you guys, we're gonna get ready to pretty much install this wig, and I'm going to show you how quickly it is to prop this bad boy on. So if you guys want to see me install this headband wig, stay tuned to the rest of the video. Okay guys, so now you have saw me install this headband wig, which took maybe 5 minutes to install. Headband wigs are becoming the norm, the easy style that you can just prop on and just go about your day. And I can tell you one thing, I am in love with headband wigs, because before headband wigs I always got a half a wig, and I would buy half a wigs and put them on and take my front of my hair out, and baby, I'm telling you, I killed those half a wigs. So a headband wig is pretty much the same. You pretty much prop that bad boy on and you go about your day. And now they have all these different little headbands and, you know, stuff you can dress your headband wig up with. So you guys, I am loving the patterning on this wig. Look at that. And this wig is a deep wave wig, and I believe it's a 18-inch. Do not quote me on that. I will put it down in the description bar. But yes, you guys, so this wig did come from Amazon, and it was not an expensive wig. And again, I'll put everything down in the description bar of how much and where you can purchase this wig from. And you guys, when I tell you, when I got this wig, it was so soft, and it is still soft. I didn't really do much to it. I kind of combed it out a little bit to kind of give it that really big effect. And yeah guys, I am really loving this headband wig. I'm loving the fullness of it, and I'm loving the texture of it for the curls. So I'm really loving that, and I love this wig, guys. If I had to rate it from 1 to 10, I would definitely give it a 9. I have not had any issues with it, and to be honest with you, a lot of my wigs probably won't get a whole 10, but a 9 for me is great. I have not had no issues with it. It did not have a smell. And then again, you guys, this is a easy way to prop on and go about your business and still look presentable. Still look presentable. Like, you know, if you're a mom that's too busy to do the hair, you're a new mom, or you're just too busy working and you don't have time to do your hair, and you know, with this coronavirus going around, you ain't really got time to get to a hairstylist or anything. So a headband wig is a perfect way to prop your wig on, do your edges, and yeah, make yourself look presentable and be good with it. It can be a date night wig, it can be anything. So yeah, you guys, I'm really loving this wig, and I'm loving the texture. And look, just look how cute this wig is, y'all. I love the length of it. It is really a really nice wig. So again, you guys, I'll put down in the description bar all the information about this wig. And by the way, guys, I'll put the information about this headband, which you guys can purchase from my website. And I have these headbands right now on my website, buy one get one free. So yeah, definitely check that out. But I'll put everything down in the description bar if you guys want to purchase any of these items. Yeah, you guys, I think that's it, and I thank you guys so much for watching. And before I jump out of this video, yes, jump out of this video, I want you guys to definitely hit that subscribe button, you guys. Join my family, hit the subscribe button. I do pretty much everything on this channel. I do makeup, I do hair, I do whatever I could to make my channel a good channel. And if some people suggest that I do some videos, review some stuff, I would do it. I do a whole lot of reviews on this channel. So definitely hit the subscribe button. So oh, definitely hit the notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys would definitely be notified of any video that I make. But yeah, you guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.